Hello and welcome back to Applied Virtual Solutions. I'm May and I'm thrilled to have you here today. In this video, we've got something really special in store for you. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or brand new to the channel, I want to express my gratitude for your support. Without further ado, let's dive right into today's exciting content. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. All right, let's get to it.
Today, I would like to introduce you to this job. It's a clinical data entry operator, and it's from Natera out of Austin, Texas, but it is a remote position, and its starting salary is $16 an hour. They also are offering benefits, and they have various shifts. They're going to have overtime will be available on occasions, evening shift, and you may be able to work some holidays. The benefits that they are offering is commuter assistance, dental insurance, health insurance, referral program, and vision insurance. Clinical data entry operator tier 1 position summary is Natera is currently seeking a clinical data entry operator to join the operations team. This position completes data entry according to standard operating procedures, which in this industry they call it mainly a SOP, with high efficiency and accuracy. This is a remote position with days, hours, Tuesday through Saturday. Day shift 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Central Time, and a swing shift, which is 5:30 p.m. to 2 a.m. Central Time. Hourly rate is $16 with the swing shift differential. The primary responsibilities of this position is to perform data entry for a specific product and case type and high accuracy and efficiency. QC information provided in laboratory information system to ensure proper accessioning. Accurately enter patient data into the laboratory inventory management system. Ensure that the information in LMS is up to date. Ensure that all paperwork provided belongs to the patient. Add clear notes and holes to identify and flag missing discrepant information. Communicate electronically with various internal departments. Expected to work holidays if required to meet department SLA. Protect patient health information at all times to ensure compliance with HIPAA and privacy policies. You will maintain familiarity with standard operating procedures and quality standard determined by the clinical laboratory. This role works with PHI, and this is the patient health information, on a regular basis with both in paper and electronic form, and has access to various technologies to access PHI, which is paper and electronic, in order to perform the job. Employee must complete training relating to HIPAA and the PHI privacy, general policies, and procedure compliance training and security training as soon as possible, but not later than the first 30 days of hire. You must also maintain current status on Natera's training requirements, and you will perform other duties as assigned. The qualifications for this position is a BS or BA degree is preferred. A high school diploma is required. Previous computer experience is required. Knowledge, skills, and abilities for this job. You need to be able to do flexible in-work time and shift, as work schedule may be modified to meet operational requirements. And you need familiarity with the Microsoft Office applications and Google product suite. You also need knowledge of numeric, oral, and written language applications. And of course, good oral and written communication skills, including excellent knowledge of correct spelling, grammar, and punctuation is needed. Typing speed of at least 45 words per minute with high accuracy. Job requires use of a computer, sitting and typing during the entire shift. You must have the ability to perform required duties with high degree of accuracy and attention to detail. So they're really strict about this accuracy and their attention to details. So organizational skills with the ability to stay focused on assigned tasks. Also, you will need to be able to be flexible to work overtime on occasions. The preferred skills and experience they want is experience with LIMS, familiarity with medical terminology, problem analysis and problem solving, data collection and maintenance, previous industry experience, and previous data entry experience. And the experience with LIMS is Laboratory Information Management System. They do use a lot of abbreviations in clinical, but they usually pay well, and it's not long before you can get a raise. And you can also discuss that with your interviewer if you feel you need to at the time of your interview. So Natera is driven by the passion for elevating the science and utility of genetic testing. Natera is committed to helping families identify and manage genetic diseases. Natera is a global leader in cell-free DNA testing, dedicated to oncology, women's health, and organ health. Their aim is to make personalized genetic testing and diagnostic part of the standard and care to protect health and enable earlier and more targeted interventions that lead to longer, healthier lives. And as above, they offer competitive benefits, including employee benefits, include comprehensive medical, dental, vision, life, and disability plans for eligible employees and their dependents. Additionally, Natera employees and their immediate families receive free testing in addition to fertility care benefits. Other benefits include pregnancy and baby bonding leave, 401k benefits, commuter benefits, and much more. And they also offer a generous employee referral program. And for more information, you can visit www.natera.com. Natera also offer other positions other than a clinical data entry operator. They have an insurance billing order entry specialist temp position that pays $20.54 an hour. It's a temp position. They have a clinical laboratory operator horizon that pays anywhere from $16 to $36 an hour, and weekends are needed sometimes with that position. They also have a revenue cycle claims specialist, which is also a temporary position that pays $25 to $30 an hour, and a logistic administrator. Estimated salary is $43,000 to $55,000 per year. And they have many more positions once you click on the link to their company, and you can check out other positions that they're offering. So if you're interested in this position, I will leave the link to it in the description area below this video.
Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. Your support means the world to me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content, and it really helps our channel grow. If you have any thoughts, comments, or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comment section below. I like hearing from you and value your feedback. And finally, if you want to be the first to know when we release new videos, make sure to ring that notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. Thank you once again. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay awesome.